It's that time of the year again when I and my family travel to Nigeria. You know the drill. We usually hire a bus to take us and our Nigerian humongous luggage from where we live to the airport, with a brief stopover somewhere in between. Lately, I've been getting a lot of comments from people who recently traced their roots to Nigeria. Are you watching? Are you? Come closer, because I'll take you to Nigeria with us. Where are you watching from, and what percentage of Nigerian are you? There are lots to see on this trip. Nigeria, Nigerian culture, Igbo culture, family living, festive routine, and many more. With so many reports of people's luggage being tampered with this season, we saw some guys at the entrance of the terminal wrapping luggage. So we decided to tunyalofa, especially because they are also obedient. If you have been following Nigerian election campaigns, you will know what I mean. When you come to this kind of board, the departures display screen, you look for the time. It's ordered according to flight time. So our flight time is by 6:50, which is here, Casablanca, and then you look for the desk. So 7:30 to 7:33. So that's how you know where you're going. Okay? In case you're traveling, because very soon you'll travel alone. No. Okay. No what? I'm teaching you now, because on that day I'll just drop you off at the airport and you go on your own. The journey was okay. We arrived early in the morning, and I think that's the best time to arrive at this Murtala Mohammed Airport. Less flights arrive at this time compared to those that arrive in the evenings. So as soon as we were through with the long immigration queue, our bags were waiting for us at the carousel, so no waste time at all. There's a new shorter route to the car park. You now pass right in front of Terminal 2, and home we went. We all dozed off as soon as we got home, tired from the journey, and this is our first meal in Nigeria. Time to run some errands around Lagos, Nigeria. We end up at Balogun Market because we need to buy and brand some t-shirts for an event. Sights and sounds of Lagos, so much noise. Echo Onibaje. Does he have plans of buying belts here? You see what I mean when I say he's the bye-bye half of this union. I came home to this, the black screen of death. If you have ever experienced this, or the blue screen of death, please let me know how you felt in the comments. I have no words. Without warning, this laptop decided to shut down on me. It has refused to start. Chimo. Village vlogs. How will village vlogs be this season? And And what's a trip to Nigeria without a trip to Igbo land? It will not be complete, Mbano. So off to the village we go. Yes, there are genuine fears because some people have chosen to destroy the southeast. Nonetheless, we move with caution. As always, we hired a GUO bus because it's the most convenient way to travel to the east. You can't tell me anything. I'll keep saying it. For me, door-to-door business, no stories, no delays, no nothing. Since it's Christmas season, all the law enforcement agencies in Nigeria, including the ones that have no business being on the highway, are well represented on this highway. They must make Christmas money from those traveling to the east. The structure of criminality we are seeking to dismantle this year at the polls.
It's not done in ever. Okay. Eh? It's never the Quebec. All of them. Look at what they put on the road. Causing traffic.
We're almost home.
Yes, so good to go.
I'm on Wajai. And everyone had a loose way so na bridge before. A bridge.
It's almost a bridge. All the bridges are also
oh, na bridge go coast.
Sometimes you want to have ball, I mean, I have gate. There was traffic.
Okay.
So I can't have a bus.
Okay.
Because some one village. I was there, but now, but in some village part of our town. Yeah. I only have about that village. That I'm more kitel or go. Many of you all are wife for the village. Angela, I bet you have to do the express.
Miri. Oh, yeah, never know. Miri can to go never look it up. By this time, all not dry.
Everybody like a holiday each other. You know, to village.
Now, wow.
Well, forget. Oh, no, the virtual car walk.
Get the one.
There's a version into this Niger.
Oh, helpful, yeah. Last year, before junction, the DC guy meet traffic. When Opapolo stands still for a long time.
Don't go to government.
Thank you, meanwhile, bridge. Why would it take 8 years? This bridge. I'm going to look quickly all before the 8 years.
So some car having a go slap China. The suffer is a lot.
But when I walk it, yeah.
And you bring a sample at Tollgate there.
Tollgate there, no, now.
That's so much. Yeah, no more hold up. That's over Christmas. Yeah, no more hold up.
Okay. Or they quite the same because of the bridge.
If they on the way to the motor,
wow. But of course, I didn't look motor at the allowed. So, honey, how one I'll buy new ever? Hannah, we're going to the old bridge. Okay.
Because one of able to all the Chinyere want to hold up.
Seven block, okay. Why got a lot of
As a lot of people know, the second Niger bridge was opened on the route going into Anambra State to ease traffic during the festive season. You know, it's a pilgrimage to Igbo land every Christmas. Even though due to the insecurity in the east and Buharinomics, lots of people did not travel this year.
Can you guys see the new bridge? I know. We are entering the bridge.
Also now, I am prestigious. I am about 4 bridges. I can just go also now for the bridge.
That place, that.
I have the normal version. The lion, they are also
See the toll gates.
They are going to make us pay for this 1 mile long bridge. See toll gate now. I mean, for this long overdue bridge, don't they think it's mean to be charging us for it?
Ici est quoi? Yeah. We don't cut you off. Never go see ever. If you don't go over it, just watch a coffee work.
The new Niger bridge joins the Onisha Owerri Road at this exchange built by Peter Obi when he was governor of Anambra State.
Yeah, from all people, before you tell my head,
Then Lord, the time up 1 or 2 hours. I brought less than 5 minutes or 10 minutes cross. So.
Then, to get to our hometowns, we pass through Obosi, Mpo, Umoji, Ojoto, Uke, Alo, Adazi, Oruku, with a brief stopover at my hometown, Agolo, to pick up the tomatoes that my mom prepared for me. And finally to Umunze, and you know what this means, lots of Christmas vlogs for you. Even though you'll be getting it a bit later this time because of my broken laptop, but you are getting it for sure. Click the like button so that YouTube will deliver the next village vlog to you when it goes live. If you think last year's Christmas vlog was fun, you are in for a bigger fun.